Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am off to Aldi's. I'm off to Aldi's to buy things that I didn't find at Costco. I went Costco yesterday with my daughter Hope and her boyfriend Hogan, but we didn't get, well, I didn't get everything, so I thought I'll go to Aldi's because Aldi's have some of the rubbish bags that I like, so I'll go there, and if they don't have it then but I'll go and get the stuff from Aldi's, and plus Aldi's, like heaps cheap at the moment. Well, they always have. But what else? Oh yeah, and then I'm going to go to Faye's to get Chalora and Geneva's noodles. Those girls will eat noodles every day, daily. How can you do that? But anyway, it's got to be a specific noodle, otherwise I'm off now, guys, and let's go, eh? Let's go, guys. Let's get out of here. Anyway, I got my babysitter inside, fed my mum her breakfast, and put on her Samoa News because she loves to watch it daily. Even when poor Tangata was trying to watch his TV, she wants to watch hers. But who's the boss? Ooh, yeah, that's right, my mama. Nah, he does get to watch his poker, guys. Yeah, because he learns how to play poker before he leaves. Oh, I'm telling the secret to those poker players that watches my videos. Yes, that's what my honey buddy does. He watches the poker on TV, learn his strategies, and now he's going to go, why did you say that? Why did you... Sorry, darling. It's only a conversation. Gosh. It's the luck of the cards, guys. The luck of the cards. Is that true? Yeah, of course. Luck of the cards. This is why every time I play poker, I lose all the time. You know why? Because when I get a full house, okay, we don't play the Texas one. We play the normal fob, 5 cards and, equal and all that other stuff. Yeah, and my son and my kids, they always know when I've got a full house or a good hand, because all of a sudden I'm betting big. But usually I don't bet big, otherwise, so they sort of pull out, or if they got a full house too or something similar, they think they can get me in. And I always lose, guys. And then I have to steal my honey bunny's money. That's why I sit beside him. But now there's a different way of them playing. They put money together and then you got chips. So I can't steal my honey bunny. Oh yeah, I can steal chips. Oh, good thinking, 99. Yeah, we're going to have a game soon. We normally play during winter because summer, we're all sweating. No one wants to think hard about their cards. Did I say we're going to Aldi's? And here I am talking, keeping you guys right here in front of my house, on the side of my house. Okay, let's go. Okay, no more talking. I hope you guys are having a good, weekend, week, whatever it may be, where you are. Thanks for coming along, guys, for the ride. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, my camera wants to point up to the beautiful blue sky that we have here right now in Sydney. It's so rude, and I shouldn't be touching it while I'm driving. Oh, it's a big fine when I get caught. Yeah, so sorry guys. Yeah, there we go, back to normal. So I'm heading down, straight down to Mount Druitt to go to Aldi's. That's there. There's several Aldi's around our areas, like there's one in Crackers Hill, there's one at St. Mary's, and one here in Mount Druitt. And there's one not far from Deanside as well. So we're pretty lucky with the Aldi's around here. Yeah, it's pretty good because Aldi's is pretty cheap, so it's good for those people that don't mind the stuff that they sell. Plus, Aldi's got good stuff, I reckon. And another thing that's good, guys, Aldi's have several stuff from New Zealand. Not a whole lot, just a little. yeah. Yeah, I might be biased about stuff coming from New Zealand, guys, but hey, it's where I grew up, and I'll always think of New Zealand as home. I'm always happy when I go back, always happy. In 1991, my family and I moved here to Australia, and you know, and this is where most of my kids were born and raised. Okay, and Australia's been good to us, you know, and I love Australia as well. I miss New Zealand because there's a lot to do in New Zealand, you know, and the beaches ain't too far away, you know, and the mussel, the seafood and all that. That's what I miss as well. Oh, I miss my seafood. Yeah, and they have a lot of cheap stuff there, you know, like food wise, and the choices are beautiful. Oh, the Asian food there is delicious. And not only that guys, it's the Indian foods as well. Ooh, yum. The butter chicken we used to have there, we used to go to this place all the time for our butter chicken. You know, there's other butter chickens that's beautiful, but this one was just a bit different. It was at the Manukau Junction. That's what I kind of remember it to be called. Yeah, so guys, we're here at Mount Druitt on your right there. It might be on your left in the camera, I don't know. But yeah, Mount Druitt's on your right. There's Westfield shopping. And then ahead, that's where I'm going, to go towards Audi, because that's where it is. And then you go past the police station on the right. Okay, that's where all the bad people go, criminals. Nah, not all bad people, because some people go there just to ask questions and stuff like that. But most of them, they go there because they're, you know, being a naughty boy and girl. Yeah, police on your right here. And I'm going up to the lights. I better speed it up a little bit, not too much. I hate going over the speed limit because I don't want to give away free money when you get a ticket. No, sorry. My brother Jack, he says, don't give away free money, you know? And that's another word of saying, don't get a fine. Yeah. I learn a lot from my brothers, you know? They give the best advice, and the advice that I feel in my heart comes from a good place. My brothers, I really love that about them, you know, and I know whenever I need them that they'll always be there, my brothers. See how I'm not mentioning my sisters. Sorry sisters, okay, because you guys are a headache sometimes to me, okay, so that's why I'm not mentioning you, okay? But it's not that I don't love you, you know I do. I love you so much, but you're headaches, okay? That's all I can say. The end. Anyway guys, we're here at Aldi's. Yeah. And now I'm gonna go to park. Guys, look at my parking skills. Awala, yeah, go my parking skills. Oh, look at that, like a professional that I am. Oh, cute. Okay, I won't park too close to that car in case I might ram it or something. But let's go, guys. Let's go shopping. Guys, I didn't know Broster came over here. Oh no, I don't have to go all the way to St. Mary's. So there's Broster, Flip Burger, and Avanti kebab and pizza. Oh, I didn't know they came here. But I'm going to the bakery, guys, for one of the best pies in Madrid. Oh, I think I'm going to get me some chicken as well. So guys, they just opened up 2 days ago. 2 days ago, so I came and got me the 2 snack box. I got pies and everything like that. I got cheese pies, plain pies, 1 bread for my kids, you know, because they always want sandwiches. Look at this, roaster chicken. 2 days ago, guys. So now you know it's in Mount Druitt. So come down and get your feed, or go next door to Flip Burger and get you guys some beautiful burgers. They have beautiful burgers and their fries are really nice too. Okay, guys. Man, all the eateries are coming out these ways. I'm so excited. And you got a really, really good butcher down there. Really good butcher. They're very clean and friendly. Just saying. Okay, guys, when you come down to shop at Aldi's at Mount Druitt, you just put your shopping away and you walk over here. About how many steps? If you're really tall, it's about 10 steps. If you're short like me, it's about 50,000 steps. But you'll get here. You can see Audi here. So far out, so good. I'm excited because you had to drive out to St. Mary's to get your boosters. Now you can come over here. Far out, and it's right next door to Flip Burger. Flip Burger, like I said, they have beautiful burgers, you know. So I'm really excited. Don't have to go far. Far out, what more can open up around here? Oh, and there's a curry Indian place that's opening up, you know, to have your curry, hot curries. And they're opening up where the bargain shop used to be, as you know, the centre where Spotlight is. So quite a lot of stuff is opening up. That's really good. Anyway, I got 2 snack boxes. Then I got to take the car back because Talofa drives a lot now. She's become my driver. And she goes and drops Noah off to work. Such a good girl. So excited. Usually, Talofa's a naughty girl. And because of the things she does, you know. Not a complete naughty. No, she's an angel compared to some. But to me, it's like a bit naughty. But she's become so helpful to me. My poor baby. Yeah, poor baby now. Usually it's you see all their flowers, all the flowers for everyone, from everyone that came to, you know, everyone that came to their opening, bought them all these nice flowers. So nice. I'm really, really happy. You know, when it comes to food, the Gaya is happy. Says stop it. Yeah, I'm really happy. You know, people look down at Mount Druitt, but guess what, guys? A lot of people are moving out west. People that look down at out west, come out west. Come out west, mate. Make, eh? Go whalili mea Mountain County, ma. Out these ways, I live ngā solo mai out west. Mea se mea leanga, I'll tell you guys, to all the Samoans, the girlfriend forward shall gama onoa. E sau ngai Mount Druitt a. E aduala mau ulanga ako. Ulanga ako e whea koe noa. Nā me uso oilau ako whai mai. Hango Mount Druitt de leanga ia. Ai aka noa. Aku noa, e leia se leanga Mount Druitt. Paua o kaloka ngaka. Ai leia se si sau e whaulau ako. Relax lau lima. Maria ia. Whea ku paua ka haka e se ingalanga ako oe noa. Ai aka shau kama. Yeah, leia se me leanga e Mount Druitt. Paua e whai mai ka ngaka e leanga. O ka ngaka manga ia mio. Au ka ngaka o Mount Druitt. E se kia lako. Anyway, guys, that's my stick up for my Mountain County. Hey, a sticker for Ottawa, and a sticker for Mountain County. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So what do I do? Mẹ đâu mẹ ấy. Cái gì phải yeah, đi vô. Wala mga phone mẹ lang mẹ na mga duwa mẹ ấy. Thank you. Thank you, Will. So I just want to show you guys what's in that comes in the snack box. It's 2 pieces of crunchy chicken and chips, and you get a sauce with it, right? They give you an option, and I picked garlic sauce because that's a nice sauce, and it comes with a drink, and it's $14. Jesus, no more Anyway, guys, let's have a bite. Here, guys, have a bite. Oh! That's really hot. Mmm, crispy. Mmm. Mmm. Crispy and tasty. Mmm. Look at the skin, guys. Have a bite of the skin. It's tasty chicken. Okay. Which one is it? Now this is lovely. And the crispness is so nice. The crispy is lovely. I've got 2 boxes. One is for my mother. Anyway, I better take a last bite and then I gotta go. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Well, take care. Wailua. Take care of one another, because if we don't, no one's going to look after us. But always send thanks to loving God, because he's the one that blesses us always. Thank you very much for joining me. Hey guys. Look where Elvis and Priscilla are going. We're going movies, guys. We're going to go watch Elvis. Yeah, because my daughter said that there's a movie out, and she said, do you want to go with your honey bunny? I go, no. She goes, how can you call your husband Elvis if you don't want to go watch Elvis, you know? So I said, oh, okay then. So she booked us some seats, and here we go. Hello, Elvis.
Hello. I'm just going along for the ride.
Yeah, so we're going to go to the movies. And guess what, guys? In my bag, I got a canned drink each, and 3 packets of chips, and 3 Snickers. That's how sneaky in the movie theater food. Because I had some food already, but that's just our snack. Anyway, if you can see Elvis in the dark there, yeah, he's breathing really hard because it was a fair walk to our car. No, not that many. But anyway, we're off now. See you guys at the movie. Wailua. Yep, we've arrived now, guys. Parked our car, and now we're just going to go into the movies. See, we dressed up real warm, because inside the movie theater can be a bit cold, you know. So at least we're nice and warm. See, guys, it's like we're having a romantic date. A romantic date. Ngay kaya mga kama. I was telling my husband, my honey bunny, like old people here, old people over there. It's like old people night, you know?
Yeah, but it's nice to go to the movies. Maybe this is the start of something, something movies.
Oh well, hey, you know, I'll come to the movies only at night time. You know, like night time. See, there's hardly anyone here. Look, and that's what's good for us, you know. So we're gonna go watch Elvis. We ain't nothing but a hound dog. Hi, no time. I know. Say stop it. What's your best Elvis song, Daddy?
Love Me Tender.
Sing it then.
I can't whistle, but don't ya?
Say sing it. Love me tender, love me true. Say Bessie, you know this guy? He never sips. He says he makes a lot of noise at home. Now he can't whistle. Sing the viewers a song, Daddy.
I only sing when there's no audience. That's
Yeah,
me.
but at home.
And it's for free.
Yeah, when we're at home, guys.
See this? I need this all the time.
Okay. Yes. Hi there, Mike. It's a pie. Anyone in here? Oh, what if someone's sitting here? Who do you think you are? What if it's already taken?
They think then we move. Say, oh, sorry, it must be the other one.
Okay, guys, we're inside the movie theater. This is not our allocated seats, but MacGyver here said we'll sit here. So for now, we're just gonna sit here and listen to some music. You know?
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes, guys.
The beginning of something movie.
Oh, you're trying to say, Coffee, I'm romantic, my little yaka ika. No, I used to bring my mum to the movies. My kids, and when they were much younger, and my mum will come and sit along the row over there. I'm going to show you guys my my goodies I bought from home. Okay, I bought one for me. This for my honey bunny. This mine. See, this is the stuff you bring from your cupboard at home. Okay, guys, better go. We don't want to get copyrighted, you know?
Yeah. Okay, then.
Okay, paso for
Thanks
God
for
bless.
hanging around.
Alif, your sexy leg, lassie, yeah.
I don't think the movie